Hi everyone, and welcome to the February My Monthly Hero release. I'm so excited to share these products with you. Let's take a look at everything that's included in the My Monthly Hero kit. First off, we have the February Stampin' Cut. This is the Hoppy Spring Stampin' Cut. Super cute images of bunnies, flowers. There's even eggs, so you can make your Easter and spring cards with this set. You have solid stamps to color in the eggs, so making that really quick and easy. And I love the font of the sentiments. Very, very pretty. And there's even a thinking of you sentiment included in this set, because there is a flower that you can stamp where it has one petal kind of falling off. Where's that petal? Right there. So really cute for a kind of a different style of card, not just for spring and Easter cards. And this is a Stampin' Cut, so that means there are the coordinating dies on the back, and there are dies for those sentiments. So you definitely want to take advantage of that. It makes it so much easier to lay out your cards or design your cards. Let's look at some projects. We have this beautiful one here. Love the bunnies. You can see that they took advantage of that flower with the missing petal. So pretty. And then we have an Easter one here where the eggs are all stamped with that solid stamp, making it really fast and easy to put this card together. Next up, we have the Springtime Blooms die set. This is such a beautiful die set. You have all the dies in here to create some beautiful flowers and leaves. These are also layering dies, so you can create some beautiful depth with them. Let's turn it over here. See all the dies that you get in this set. Such a pretty set. And let's look at some projects with this. You can see you can create beautiful bouquets, change the colors to fit whatever occasion. These all have a springtime theme, but you can see how pretty they are grouped together or all on their own. And I love the kind of blue tones of this one here. I do want to show you how to kind of put these flowers together because you can get kind of different looks. So here you can see one flower completed. It has the layers layered on top of the base. Well, now we're going to put it together a slightly different way. Here's the base. Here's our stem, so that base goes right on top. And then you have these two petal layers that you can just position. You can line them right up like you see here to the base, or you can kind of offset them a little so you have even more depth and dimension, and then finish off with the flower center. Also included is the Field of Flowers layering stencil set. This is a 4-piece layering stencil set, and just like all of our hero stencils, every stencil layer has registration marks, and they're all labeled, so it's very easy to line up, and you can create such beautiful backgrounds with lots of different colors. You can even use pastes, which I love with stencils. Great for just adding a little bit of springtime florals to your backgrounds. And the last product included in the My Monthly Hero kit is a pack of some beautiful springtime papers. Let me open this up to show you the beautiful colors. So you get 10 half sheets, so 8.5 by 5.5 of colored cardstock. These are great for your card bases. They're 100 pound weight, and they're also wonderful, of course, for those beautiful Springtime Blooms dies. Now let's take a look at everything that's included in the February My Monthly Superhero Kit. First up, we have the Wildflowers Stampin' Cut. This is an awesome kind of 2-step solid stamp set. You have beautiful solid florals, a bunch of flower centers. So these are really going to be easy to stamp beautiful, colorful bouquets. Lots of sentiments as well. And this is a Stampin' Cut, so that means you have the coordinating dies for all of those images as well as all the sentiments. So really fun set to play with. I love solid stamps. I think these are so fun to design with. And here you can see you can create some beautiful, unique arrangements with those beautiful flowers. And next up we have this awesome grass die. Now this is going to be a staple. You're going to use this for a lot of your cards with this kit. You can see it's long, it's 6 inches, so it can be used for landscape or profile cards, and you can use this with lots of different green cardstocks, and it's just going to be a really useful one for your scene building. Here you can see it's used on this card. Love that for those flowers again, which were from the Wildflowers Stampin' Cut. Next we have the adorable bunny trio die set. I just love these guys. They're so cute. They have little bows and even eggs and little fuzzy little tails, or you can make them fuzzy if you die cut them out of some felt, which is so cute. The dies are really awesome and really brilliantly designed because the eggs not only work for your little egg decorations, but you can actually use them for the eye of your bunny. So here I have one bunny already created. I'm just going to pick him up. You can see the colorful eggs, but also you can die cut the eggs out of black and then just pop it behind that eye. And that's just a really easy way to add some color to your little bunny eyes. And there are, of course, 3 bunnies in this bunny trio, so you can create some really cute little scenes with these bunnies. I love this background that Kelly created, and of course using your different colored cardstocks makes them really stand out. And last, don't forget, you can add some pattern to those bunnies as well. These are splattered with our brown acrylic speckle, and they just look so cute. And the last product included in the My Monthly Superhero Kit is the Hoppy Spring Layering Stencil Set. This is a 4-piece layering stencil set, and this allows you to quickly and easily color in the images from the Hoppy Spring Stampin' Cut. These images work or align perfectly with the stencils, and of course you can use the dies to die cut them out, so it's such a fast and easy way to color those images in. But these stencils work beautifully all on their own as well. You can see with this card I've used the stamp set and the stencils together to add color to my flowers and the bunnies. But here are what the flowers look like with just the stencils and using the dies from the Hoppy Spring Stampin' Cut to die cut them out. So really pretty. And let me show you a little close-up on how to use these 2 products, these stencils and the stamp set, together. I stamped some images here from the Hoppy Spring stamp set, which again is part of the February My Monthly Hero Kit. And now I'm going to color them in using the stencils, starting with stencil number 1. Again, they're always labeled in the lower left. Here are it's in the right. That's how you make sure you have your stencil facing the correct way. I'm going to line up the stencil with that bunny. I'm going to start with him. And then I'll just use some pieces of tape to not only mask but also hold my stencil in place while I ink blend that rabbit. I'm going to use some antique ivory and just ink blend over. And it couldn't be easier. Just remove the stencil and there you go. Your bunny is colored. Now we can use the stencils to color in the flower. And just like that, it's really easy to color in the bunny and the flowers and have lots of depth and details. The February My Monthly Hero and My Monthly Superhero are available today, so pick yours up at heroarts.com.